Welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven. Today, we are talking about something very important, keeping your legs strong, even at 90. You might not notice it, but your legs are slowly getting weaker. Standing up from a chair feels harder, climbing stairs leaves you tired, and short walks start to feel like workouts. This is not just aging. It is called muscle loss, slow, silent, and often ignored. The truth is, your legs are the first to lose strength as you get older. When that happens, your balance weakens, your independence fades, and the risk of falling increases. But here is the good news. You can rebuild your strength naturally, starting right in your kitchen. Exercise helps, but what you eat can be just as powerful. Let us talk about 6 simple foods that help keep your legs strong, steady, and full of energy. Sweet potatoes are the perfect fuel for your muscles. They provide steady energy without blood sugar crashes and are rich in vitamin A and potassium, which help repair tiny muscle tears and prevent cramps. Their natural fiber also supports digestion, helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Eat them roasted, mashed, or in soups. They taste good and help your legs feel light and steady. Oats are great for lasting strength and stamina. They give your muscles slow, steady energy that keeps you active throughout the day. Oats contain plant-based protein, iron, and magnesium, which rebuild muscle tissue and prevent painful leg cramps. Regularly eating oats also helps improve blood flow, giving your legs the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong. Avocados keep your legs flexible and pain-free. Their healthy fats calm inflammation and protect joints, while potassium prevents painful cramps and stiffness. They also contain vitamin E, which helps repair tired muscles and supports smooth movement. Add avocado to toast, salads, or smoothies for a natural, creamy boost to your joint and muscle health. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, protect your muscles from aging. They are rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation and reduce soreness after activity. Vitamin C in berries helps your body produce collagen, keeping your muscles, tendons, and joints strong and flexible. Eating a handful of berries every day also supports brain health and keeps your mind sharp. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids that rebuild muscles and improve circulation, helping your legs recover faster and move more freely. The omega-3s in salmon reduce inflammation in the joints and muscles, easing pain and stiffness. Its B vitamins also boost energy and nerve function, helping you move with confidence and coordination. And finally, eggs, the complete strength food. They are packed with high-quality protein, vitamin D, and choline, which support strong muscles, better balance, and steady steps. Eggs also provide antioxidants and healthy fats that protect muscle cells from damage. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day can make a noticeable difference in your energy and stability. You do not need all of these foods every day, but adding them regularly can make a big difference. Combine them with light activity, such as walking or stretching, for the best results. Remember, your legs are your foundation. When they stay strong, you stay independent and full of life. Start today, and your legs will thank you for years to come. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Gentle Health for more simple, science-based tips to help you stay strong, active, and healthy at any age.